Activity 4. Place a chair in the school ground on a sunny day. What do you observe from the shadow of the chair? Does the shadow give an accurate picture of the chair? If the chair is turned around a little, how does the shape of the shadow change? Take a thin notebook and look at its shadow. Then take a rectangular box and look at its shadow. Do the two shadows seem to have a similar shape? Take flowers or the other objects or different colors and look at their shadows. A red rose and a yellow rose, for instance. Do the shadows look different in color when the colors of the objects are different? Take a long box and look at its shadow on the ground. When you move the box around, you may see that the size of the shadow changes. When is the shadow of the box the shortest? When the long side of the box is pointed towards the sun, or when the short side is pointing towards the sun. Let us use this long box to prepare a simple camera. A pinhole camera. You might think that we need a lot of stuff to make a camera. Not really. If we just wish to make a simple pinhole camera. Activity 5. Take two boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into another with no gap in between them. Cut open one side of each box. On the opposite face of the larger box, make a small hole in the middle. In the smaller box, cut out from the middle a square with a side of about 5 to 6 cm. Cover this open square in the box with tracing paper. Slide the smaller box inside the larger one with a hole in such a way that the slide with the tracing paper is inside. Your pinhole camera is ready for use. Holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller box. You should use a piece of black cloth to cover your head and the pinhole camera to try to at some distant objects like a tree or a building through a pinhole camera. Make sure that objects you wish to look at through your pinhole camera are in bright sunshine. Move the smaller box forward or backward till you get a picture on the tracing paper pasted at the other end. Are these pinhole images different from their shadows? Look through your pinhole camera at the vehicles and people moving on the road in bright sunlight. Do the pictures see in the camera show the colors of the objects on the other side? Are the images erect or upside down? Surprise, surprise! Let us now image the sun. With your pinhole camera, we need a slightly different setup for this. We just need a large sheet of cardboard with a small pinhole in the middle. Hold the sheet up in the sunshine and let its shadow fall on a clear area. Do you see a small circular image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of the cardboard sheet? Look at the pinhole images of the sun when an eclipse is visible from your location. Adjust your pinhole and screen to get a clear image before the eclipse is to occur. Look at the image as the eclipse begins. You will notice a part of the image of the sun gradually becoming darker as the eclipse starts. Never ever look directly at the sun. that could be extremely harmful for the eyes. There is an interesting pinhole camera in nature. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with large number of leaves, we notice small patches of sunlight under it. These circular images are in fact pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves act as a pinholes. These gaps are all kinds of irregular shapes, but we can see circular shapes of the sun. Try to locate images of the sun when an eclipse occurs next. That could be so much fun. Bujo has this thought. We saw upside down images of people now on the road with our pinhole camera. What about images of the sun? Did we notice them to be upside down or anything like that? Paheli has another thought. Surely all these results that we are seeing, formation of the shadows and pinhole images, are possible only if light moves in straight path.